Campsite in Koreshan Park. It's one of our favorite areas in the southwest Florida. Has a nice trail, village. It's our little home for the Memorial Day weekend. Here's a little trail behind our RV where our campsite is. There's the motorhome. We're having steaks today for dinner. There's a path behind the motorhome and our reverse sink. Couch, the table folded out, little table on the side. Seat, dinette, fridge. Here's our motorhome inside. 25 feet. We purchased it new in 2002. Been a lot of places with it, like Yellowstone. It's a fridge, pantry, closet, little kitchenette, deep sinks. So it has a fold up to extend the countertop. Bathroom on the right. There's a reverse sink. It's a small house, but it's got a big backyard. Rabbit attacking us. He's coming right at us.
Now this kid's coming.
And does he look like he's vicious?
No.
No?
Well, you never know.
You never know. He looks like he's
rabid.
He's chopping his teeth. Look at his chops. Maybe he wants us to follow him. Hello, little guy.
Back up, buddy. We might have to go this way.
Well, let's just step aside. Okay? There he goes.
Hello. Hi.
Hello. You want to lead the way? I don't know where he's headed, but he seems to know. He's looking to make sure we're following him. He waits for us every so often here. What do you think, Sri?
I just don't want to chase him away from his home.
I don't think we're chasing him. It's like a little cave with all the overhead shade and the winding little trail. This is one of our favorite trails along this river, Korshan Park. It changes as you go down the trail from what is now Florida Lake. A lot of Florida palm trees. And then as you wind around through the palm trees, sorry about the shakiness, but we're walking, and you end up in a fine bamboo forest with a fine type of smaller bamboo. One of the little offshoots down to the river. When the wind blows, you can hear the bamboo. Starts clicking. Nice river scene here. It's actually a trailer park across there. You can hear the creaking of the bamboo forest. Catching a little bit of the wind's picking up slightly, so you can hear the bamboo clicking. Something just jumped. There's some fish in here. Like a tunnel. Another view of the river. You go down around this way even. This is one of our favorite trails because it's actually summertime in Florida, South Florida, Southwest Florida even. This is Memorial Day weekend. But the trail with all the shade and everything is still pretty cool, comfortable to walk. Then it opens up into this clearing. First time we came here, this is more like a garden area. And we've seen these bridges. It's that one. And then there's a white one over here. And there's a village over there. There's Sweetie. We're at the Edison Gardens in Fort Myers, where the Edison House is and the Ford House museums are. We visited them before, so we've decided to just walk around the gardens today a little bit. A lot of nice trees, like this one right here is an unusual type of fig tree, as you can see. Nice gardens. A few unusual trees. There's a big banyan tree. Known for its multiple trunks. Banyan tree is actually a nickname, as I recall, it's part of the fig tree family. A few different kinds of banyans. Banyan tree is a member of the ficus family. This is another type of banyan, or actually ficus tree. Took a little break. Come up here. We're going to head back to the campground and to the village, Koreshan village. I was thinking about going to the Edison House, but it got a little late after breakfast, or lunch I should say. We've been there before. It's a really nice tour. Got a really nice gardens out by the river. Starting to sprinkle a little bit. Just gonna head back to our campsite.